guys, I'm Hasta with WTI and I'm in my bathroom right now. And I always try to make sure not only my bathroom smells good, but my whole home. And Glade has done it for me. This is the Exotic Tropical Blossoms Air Freshener from Glade. And this one especially has stolen my heart because it smells amazing. You actually feel like if you were in Hawaii with some friends, um, drinking some coconut water and eating fruits. It gives me that feeling of being on the beach and wearing tropical dresses and colorful outfits. This one has otter fighting technology for lasting freshness. And I can't agree more with the otter fighting technology because I spray a little bit of this freshener and it will last up to 2 or 3 hours. And yeah, I really like this one. I think it works in any room of your house. You won't feel dizzy. You just have to shake and spray and you will be good to go. And that's my point of view.